Now I make sure 4, 3, 2, 1 constant, so everybody's there. That's a negative 1/2, so I'm going to use a positive 1/2. Two, negative 1, 2, negative 3, 1. I'm going to cross check. 2, negative 1, 2, negative 3, 1. So we're there. Bring down the 2, because I would say, what do I multiply x by to get 2x to the 4th? You'd say 2x to the 3. 1/2 times 2 is 1, and add. 1/2 times 0 is 0, and add. 1/2 times 2 is 1, and add. 1/2 times negative 2 is negative 1, and add. And divide it evenly. So this is your remainder. This is your constant. This is the coefficient of x. This is the coefficient of x squared. This is the coefficient of x cubed. So you have 2x cubed, there's no x squared, plus 2x minus 2 with a remainder of 0. You wouldn't have to put remainder 0. You could just write it that way, because when you don't have a remainder, that's the way you would write it anyway. What do you notice here? What do you notice? 2, 0, 2, negative 2. What do you notice?
2 plus 0 is 2, 2 minus 2.
Just take them as individual numbers. 2, 0, 2, negative 2. What's this denominator? 2. Would 2 divide all of these guys evenly?
Yes.
I wonder where that 1/2 came from. Now, by the way, that would be true if this were 2, 0, 4, negative 4. It's still divisible by 2. They're all even. And that's a 1/2. Now, what's so interesting is this. What if I were to say x minus 1/2 equals 0? Multiply through by 2, you get 2x minus 1. It's clear fraction. In order for this thing, by the way, in this class you just take it at face value. But if I were to divide by 2x minus 1, if I made the coefficient of x 1, that means divide everybody by 2. That's essentially what my divisor was here. And then what you do in the end, because you removed a 2, you would divide this answer by 2. So if my division instead was this, my answer would have been this guy divided by 2. Because you'd say to yourself, what do I multiply 2x by to get 2x to the 4th? You'd say x cubed. So you can use synthetic division on something which isn't. But you have to remember is that whatever this is, you have to divide that out of your final answer, because your final answer would be a multiple of that denominator. Cool, huh? Just trying to save you some time. Just the thought. Okay. So much for that. Now this is where you love synthetic division, by the way. I'm divided by x plus 2, so I'm going to use a minus 2. There's an x to the 7, but there's no x to the 6th. 5, there's no 4. 3, there's no 2. And there is also no 1. And constant. So it would be 1x to the 7th, no x to the 6th, 1x to the 5th, no x to the 4th, negative 10x to the 3, no x to the 2, no x to the 1, and constant. So bring down the 1. Negative 2 times 1 is negative 2, and add. Negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4, and add. Negative 2 times positive 5, negative 10, and add. Negative 20 times, or negative 2 times negative 10 is positive 20, and add. Negative 2 times negative 10, or positive 10, is negative 20, and add. Negative 2 times negative 20 is positive 40, and add. Negative 2 times positive 40 is negative 80, and add. And this comes out to be, I think, negative 68. Now, how long would that have taken you to do using long division? See, that's why you say, oh, synthetic division, like it. So remember, this is the remainder. This is the constant. X squared, x cubed, x to the 4th, x to the 5th, x to the 6th. So my answer is x to the 6th minus 2x to the 5th plus 5x to the 4th minus 10x to the 3 plus 10x to the 2 minus 20x plus 40 with a remainder of negative 68.